Good.
Nice.
Toe Sucker and King, best team alive. Yo, Toe Sucker, you back? Toe Sucker, I queued. Yo, Toe Sucker! Toe Sucker! Oh, shit. Toe Sucker! Toe Sucker!
2,000 years later.
Dang it.
Yeah, the game bugged out, dude. I don't know. I didn't even hit Q, but I guess it just put us in a game.
No, it's fine. I don't care.
Okay, well, I guess since we have 2 minutes, entertain my chat. I'm gonna go grab a Dr. Pepper, okay?
Okay, I got this. Thoughts on sucking toes? Toe sucker? Well, I think toe sucker as an individual is a fine person. I think sucking toes is also fine. I think combining the two into one thing is just a feat that can never be imaginable by anybody other than toe sucker himself. If you think about it, it's a conundrum, if you will, right? Is to take the toe of toe sucker and sucking the toe of him and himself. It's just like you ever see that movie Inception? It's kind of like that, right? So like what I'm trying to say is there's so many toes within toe sucker himself that one single toe is individually the amount of 10 toes.
What?
Right? So if you take that and divide it by X,
You're losing me a little bit here, Toe Sucker. Yeah, I guess.
I didn't know you were back.
It's nice to see that my chat is taking notes on that.
Dude, the coupon code he gave me for the merch, it's basically just free. It's crazy.
Dude, I would love to wear some XSET merch. I was thinking, I don't have like merch for any team right now, but like after seeing people like they're wearing like fucking Gen G, TSM. I don't know if Gen G qualified, but I just like how their merch looks. Like TSM, they have the fucking 100 Thieves. I'm like, dude, I gotta get some fucking merch. Another thing I want.
Probably hook you up, man.
This is how I get on the front page of the Valorant Reddit, by the way. I'm gonna get a fucking cardboard cutout of Hiko. I'm gonna put it behind me for stream, okay? Now I looked it up. Cardboard cutouts are expensive, and a cardboard cutout of Hiko, it's gonna cost me around $200. But I don't think Hiko's that tall, so I think I can like get away with like slimming it down a little bit.
Bruh.
Hiko is 6 foot, no shot. he's not.
Breach or race?
Yeah, Breach would be lit, but play who you want.
We all really want you to play Breach.
Do you play Breach, dude?
Really?
Yeah, like Astra. Astra, she's got a fat ass, but like Breach, oh, Breach, let's go. Dude, Fugly TV is saying that FaZe is a joke because they just run in and shoot people with no tactics. Dude, if FaZe can run in and shoot 100 Thieves with no tactics, FaZe deserves to be the best team in the world. Holy fuck. Imagine if they had tactics, dude.
I'll watch mid or
Wait,
B.
no, send the 4-stack A. Let's just push them. This is our one troll round for the game, okay?
Let's gamble.
Yeah.
Get ready.
Standing ahead.
They're not here.
Oh,
Let's
fuck.
rotate.
Okay.
Enemy spotted B.
Oh, they killed me.
Last player
One
standing.
CT.
Oh, nice try, boys.
All right.
Okay, that was our one troll round. We come back now. You see, those things are a gamble because, like, if it works out, your team's momentum is unstoppable. You guys, like, we're just so coordinated. Everything's perfect. But when it doesn't work out, everyone's a little questionable about like the call. They're like, "Oh man, why did you call that?" Like,
Check out the head.
blinding Jen. She's blinded. Killjoy's full blind, boys.
I wonder.
One enemy remaining.
Last one CT.
CT?
Two blind. Never mind.
You're
she's really
insane. Let's
weird.
go, Toe Sucker. Oh my gosh, have my babies.
I hate that the call that was CT. I processed
I knew what he
it for, like,
meant.
a
Like,
double second. Like I was looking A main. Now I was like, wait, CT.
nobody calls CT on Ascent, right? They call Heaven. I was just thinking about what made sense in the moment. I was like, he's got to be main, like 100%, right?
Coming in now. Oh, close right.
Nice.
Down mid. One enemy remaining.
Holy shit,
He's in there, 40.
Let's go! Toe Sucker and King, best team alive!
Damn right.
The fucking flash double swing. They thought they were safe, man. They thought they were safe.
Dude, nothing beat that fucking that split game we played yesterday when they were trying to push us through vents and they were just getting bombarded with utility.
We're, like, for context, guys, because I don't think I was streaming. Was I streaming it? I don't know. I'm playing Breach and he's playing Raze, and they tried to push us through vents, and it was just boom bot, Raze grenade, flash, aftershock, concussion, flash. Like, it was so nasty, dude.
They just didn't do anything about it. They're like, oh, okay, I guess. Falling.
Okay, one on site, one gen.
One
Nice.
enemy remaining.
Last one's Jen.
Shot.
Nice, you guys are hot. Holy shit.
No, she's backside, backside.
One enemy remaining.
Last on that. Nope. Nice. Dude, look at that retake. That's just textbook.
The textbook, man. Man, dude, that was sexy. Yeah, I'm liking this team. They're good, dude. The Jet was totally on board with just waiting for the Cypher to clear B main, and then we go in, right? Everyone wants to rush it. Everyone wants to fucking rush in with their operator and just die 1v3. I'm like, just chill. Because I'm not pushing out until we know that B main's clear. Come on, Sova Daddy, come up big here.
Last player
Oh, you need
standing.
it bigger than that.
Yeah, boy.
Yo, if you wanted to just hold like back in B lobby and make sure, or try to like stop him from getting that operator out. I wouldn't hold this angle, but you know, whatever. Oh, dude, see, that's what I'm saying. If he just holds the other angle, he kills him. Like, oh, I hate this team. One's lane, one's out lane.
Nice.
One enemy remaining.
She's out, lit 39. She's gonna grab my phantom, but it's no ammo. Nice.
Oh
Ooh,
my.
Spicy.
What a shot.
Honestly, we have a ton of money. Probably just try to do as much damage as we
Player
can.
standing.
Yeah, let's go.
You get that?
Like ready?
Get in there, Jet. Get in there.
Oh, they were. Yeah.
Spike down mid.
Nice.
One enemy remaining.
120.
Oh my
Phoenix.
god, you guys are so fucking. You guys are so good.
You guys were stressed out after pistol round. Like,
We were never stressed. We knew we won.
oh man.
I mean, it could be 10-2 right now.
Blinding.
Up.
I'm stunned. One jet.
Chen. Nice. Get that gun. Oh my god, we can win this.
They're both
One
there.
destroyed door. One destroyed tree door.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, nice.
One destroyed tree door.
He's cat. Oh my god, we won that.
Oh no! You did him dirty.
50 on Astra on the site. Nice.
One CT, one market, one site.
One enemy
Last one
remaining.
site. Last one site.
Good shit,
Oh my
Solo. You're
God.
nuts, dude. Holy
Jesus Christ, you're nasty.
Okay, I get one deep.
Oh, one cat.
Last player standing.
Oh, the door.
One enemy remaining.
One.
Good
Nice,
TP.
dude.
I'm timing the shit out of that jet.
Last player standing.
She's heaven.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
That's on site. Could have Vandal now.
Oh, you dinked her
Oh,
too.
nice try.
Blinding sight, we gotta go.
Killjoy probably on site. Nice, get that kill.
10
Jet is
seconds
gonna
left.
CC.
One enemy remaining.
Good
Nice.
shit. You wanna play inside with me?
Yeah, play site.
Last player
On
standing.
side,
shit.
tagged 80. Tagged 80.
Oh man.
Oh, audio. Dude, the audio in this game is so bad.
Yeah.
Wait for that, wait for that, wait for that.
He's gonna use a shock dart, isn't he?
Why'd you just walk right through that?
He's just in heaven. Okay,
Shock
cool.
dart, shock dart.
And you guys need to hit that faster.
Dude.
That's unfortunate. Okay.
Last player
50 on
standing.
Sova.
Okay.
Oh, I'm scared.
You tell people to just like hard hit something and then they take their time. It's really annoying. I'm like, no, like run at them. Like fucking throw flashes, throw shit like we did on pistol round where we just fucking sprinted at them. That's what I wanted them to do. Like don't stop, hold W. Still probably 1A main. Yeah, Jet's A main, Jet's A main. Fuck.
Look at this dude.
I killed myself.
Oh my god.
I pointed it upwards.
Yikes, we're throwing.
That's lit. That's CT.
Just still in there, Cypher.
Looks like they're both CT. Yeah.
So
Someone's in defense. One enemy remaining.
That's GG, guys.
GG.
That's how you win games, man. T1 type shit in ranked game. Oh wait, what you mean right there? That play? I mean, like it was really fucking slow, but it's just because like we kept trying to fast execute and it wasn't working. It was the Phoenix pick or whoever was on on the stairs that won us that game. It wasn't like anything crazy. It's just that guy got caught on stairs and that was the pick that we needed. Because entering that site like 5v5 was not gonna be good. Like if they fall back and they just play retake and they have 5 players versus 5 players, that wouldn't have been good. But like what ended up happening is we took control of like that post plan was pretty good. Rather than everybody playing on site and just getting weeded out, we all spread out. We had a guy in market, we had me in B main, we had somebody on stairs, we had somebody on site or who was on lane like ready to help. Like that was gonna be a hard retake for them. It worked out well. It worked out well.